Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Anand. I'm from Greenpost. Greenpost brings all your bills at one single place. There's no service like this in Asia. We are the bill organizers of Asia as well as for the Middle East. We are not a bill payment service. So what we provide you is that your complete bill in a paperless format. We answer your questions like where is my bill, how much I need to pay, when I need to pay, and why is my bill of that value. So we are basically a bill provider in a PDF format and it's aggregated single window management system. This is a screenshot of our app, which is being given Solution of the Year, Asia Top 50 Apps. Out here, you can see that you have all the bills. You have got the due dates. You have got the amounts. We have got close to 100 plus bills from 7 countries. And the list is going very fast, up to 12 countries in Asia. Is a single window bill organizer. So we are taking off the paper, the envelopes which are being sent out by the billers, which cost, which a huge amount of money which is being wasted, as well as the paper. We are just taking it out from the system. So people can now check their bills online from the app, tablets, or from the mobile apps. This is what you get the feel, the real feel of a bill. That's what is needed. The complete bill PDF, and you get the analytics. So you can see that how your bill is moving and where you spend at what point of time. And basically, so this is a service which is a mix of Dropbox, your alerts, analytics, and the payments, which is totally focused on the bills. So you just manage your bills seamlessly without having to use the paper. This is a quick list of the billers which you have right now. So you'll find all your popular billers listed out here: Singapore, Malaysia, India, Australia, so the whole region. We have started now getting our users. We have hit close to 20,000 users, and we have got a very good response and feedback. Some of the videos we are just putting the screenshots. They're there on our Greenpost YouTube channel. And the pattern is that when the users joins us, only 10% of people are actually start getting the bills downloaded, which we have moved with our reminders to 30%. So currently, the 30% of people are getting bills from their active users, which we plan to bring up to 40% of users to become active. So they're managing their bills with us on an average 2.5 bills per user, which we plan to go to 4 bills per user as we increase the biller list. And the amount average which we are looking at is $250 per user. So this is the data as well as the bill management we have got and user feedback. This is a service which we have launched in Malaysia, which is a payment. So we are linking the bills with the payments. So in Malaysia now, people can actually see the bills. All the values are auto-filled. And the total value is there. You have to just click once, and it's done. So you don't have to go and put in all your amounts and the due dates. It's auto-filled. So it's a bill smart system. Malaysia is already being implemented. We are talking to payment partners in India, Singapore, as well as the UAE to provide this service. So it will be seamless experience for the people to just view all the bills and pay in one go. It's an extensive system. It brings bills from all different places. And then we have got 2 products. The consumer product we have already talked about. Then we have got an enterprise product where we feed this information to the banks and the payment gateways. So the key idea is that we have broken the barrier where billers used to take days and spend a lot of money to be online or aggregate their bills. With our technology, the billers are able to aggregate their bills within days. And it's extensive R&D which we have done for the last 4 years. And we expect that with this technology, as well as the consumer need is that 40% of internet banking users will go for 30 to 40% of internet banking users will like not to deal with the paper in 2015 in Asia. That's what we are looking at. This is our enterprise product. We'll just tell you something more about, which is called one-click bill view and pay. So this is the value add. This feature is not there globally. The only place where we see this feature where people can see their bill values like telco and utility bills within their banks is only in North America. So these are the companies which actually provide these facilities. In whole of Asia, if you see, the one which is white, they don't have this facility. There are some quasi service provider that BillDesk and BPay in Australia, which actually provide you the bill payment facility. So they don't have the bill data. So that's where we have the whole of Asia, which is where we can target with our bill information. So we are talking with banks to plug in, link up our bill information with the banks. So when you log in into internet banking or your payment gateway, you can actually see your values being auto-filled. which is happening in North America right now. So any North American bank or USA bank, if you log in, if you allow AT&T or any other bill, you will see the value. You don't have to go and pick up your bill. The same thing we are offering and talking to banks to offer to the internet banking users in Asia. So you just see the whole amount, you just do one simple click and you are done. And you have got analytics. So the complete value add and the features will be there with the banks. We are talking with 6 banks from 3 countries right now. We are very aggressive about the mobile experience. So we want to bring in a mobile experience with our banking partners where people can be on the move and they can pay the bills. And everything is auto-filled. So you can be on a MRT and you see your bill and just pay it. For banks, it's a single point of integration. Multi-country source, so the bank doesn't have to, regional bank doesn't have to go to, tie up with local parties in India or Singapore. They can just tie up, work with the Green Post, and they can have a multi-country bill coming to them. And that brings the next level of bill payment innovation within the banks, which is needed in Asia right now, and which we can provide. We are ready to provide that. Some numbers. Our first phase of internet banking, first phase of countries, we are looking at 6 countries right now. Singapore, Malaysia, India, Hong Kong. We are looking at 20 million users. If we are able to convert 10% of these people to start using our service with the banks and start paying their bills, we are looking at close to 14.5 billion worth of transactions yearly. And we are also will be able to take off from the system, close to 500 million pages, which is close to 54,000 trees, which you're talking about. So this is a big numbers where we can achieve just by giving convenience, and the system is ready for that. We have got multiple revenue models. The enterprise revenue models, where the banks pay us, where the billers pay us, and we have got SI projects. We are working for government projects to make them paperless. We have got consumer revenue models where we get the cut from the payment collections. We have got a rich data where we can do the very actionable marketing. We have identified close to $24 as a ARPU per user. And our cost of maintaining the user is less than $1. So there's a huge margin. This is a team, experienced team from good colleges, and we are all serial entrepreneurs and from technology and management college, so it's a very well-rounded team. We are looking for bank and payment gateways to tie up with, and we are also looking for user acquisition partners, because now we want to go out and do the user acquisition and start, making revenues, and our funding round is open. So that's all. Thanks a lot.